Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am here with my second book review, and it is the book of Ajay K. Pandey, a national best-selling author. Actually, I was thinking HIV and AIDS are same. After reading this book, Her Last Wish cleared my basic doubts about HIV and AIDS. I always say that I'm a great fan of romantic novels, and this book, Her Last Wish, attracted me so much. Truly, it's an inspiring story of a husband Vijay and his HIV infected wife Asta. The love was so pure. Vijay was an introvert. His father was a police inspector and mother was a journalist. As a police officer, his father could not give time to family and he visited home very occasionally. So he never forced Vijay to study. His mother was like a strict personality, and as time passed, Vijay became a mama's boy type. He was poor in study. His father wanted him to become an IAS officer, and mother wanted to be an engineer. His parents' over expectations spoiled Vijay. His confidence crashed. Failed to clear the IAS exam fifth time in a row. And one day, his journalist mom found a job for Vijay as an assistant professor in Sri Ram College, Delhi. Finally, Vijay got a non-academic work in college. But his principal always complained that Vijay rarely taught the classes. Then his parents decided to find a girl for Vijay. They met more than a dozen girls, but each one of them said no. No girl wanted to spend her life with an introvert mama's boy. Finally, they met Asta. Asta was bold and beautiful. She was working in Axis Bank as PO. She was an extrovert, non-vegetarian, and even boozed at times. Vijay was also shocked how a girl like Asta had agreed to marry him. One day, Vijay's mother found Asta to eat omelette, and there was Mahabharata in between them, and they separated. Vijay and Asta lived in a rented house in Malviya Nagar happily. Once Vijay got to know that Asta is HIV infected, and for surety he tested his sample too, but he came negative. He didn't tell Asta about this and visited doctor frequently whether Asta will get cured. But doctor said, until now medical science has been unable to find a cure for this. Over many years of research, doctors have understood things like we can control the duration of HIV to turn into AIDS. We can get some extra years of hope and life provided all necessary medication starts at the earliest. Then Vijay requested to the doctor that he did not tell her about the disease because she is unaware that she is HIV positive. And he did not want his happy life to ruin, and he wanted her to spend the rest of time smiling. He ever tried to know from where she got infected because he loves Asta so much. He did everything to keep her Asta happy and unaware about the disease. When doctor advised her to take more care and avoid to go outside, then Vijay said Asta that she has a little infection in her liver and she needs rest. After 3 months, Vijay got to know that Asta is pregnant, and his fear was doubled up. He knew Asta has a very limited time, and then he got Asta's diary where she wrote her 7 wishes before she died. And they are: first, be a good mother. Second, apologize to Daniel. Daniel was his ex-boyfriend. Third, marry either a hero or a celebrity. Fourth, host a grand birthday party with more than 2,000 guests. Fifth, have a bank balance of 50 lakhs or 1 crore, whichever is achievable. Sixth, get featured on the cover page of a gossip magazine. 7, BB. You know what is BB? Best selling book on her. And you know, guys, his helpless, introvert, loser, poor husband fulfilled all her weird wishes. And now, if you want to know how, for that you have to go through this book. At least, after all struggle, Asta delivered a healthy girl child, Aparajita. Cuna Operajita means winner. And the child came HIV negative. But we lost Asta for forever. Vijay proved himself as a good husband. Her last wish is an inspiring story of love, relationships, and sacrifice, which proves how a good wife makes the best husband. It is my first ever book of Ajay K. Pandey. Now I am a fan of him and I am going to read his another all novels soon. Thank you.